What's going on, my friend? Nick Anderson here, and I want to commend you for clicking play on this video because what I'm going to teach you when you click the button below and you enter in your name and your email address is how I've been able to monetize and leverage the internet to build my business completely online. And I want to teach you some of the things that I wish I would have heard about my first year being in business for myself, because I've been an entrepreneur now for about 2.5 years, and I've been building my business completely online for the past year and a half. And I want to show you step by step how I've been able to automate it to the point where, I'm the hunted, people chase me down, and I don't have to go out there and hand out business cards, go prospect people, and go do all that type of stuff. Because whether you're a home-based business owner, you're a network marketer, you're an entrepreneur, or you're currently looking to, create a substantial income for yourself online, I want to teach you step by step how you can build a successful business and the things that you need to know if you're trying to market and brand your company online. So right now we're on my Facebook, you guys, and I just want to kind of like introduce you to this whole idea and this concept of, attraction marketing and how it can work in your business. Because the most successful people within the network marketing, home-based business field, the number one person that comes to mind is Eric Worre. And if you guys have seen, the GoPro recruiting event is going on right now, actually in Las Vegas, Nevada, at the time that I'm shooting this video, depending on when you guys are watching this, but he released a video. It's called The Rise of the Entrepreneur. And if you've seen the trailer for it, I want to teach you exactly how Eric Worre, some of the other top leaders within this industry, are using this same model that I'm going to be teaching you when you click the button below and you enter in your information. So if I go to his website right here, risemovie.com, you guys will see on the main page, if you click play, it's like a short 2-minute and 20-second little trailer for his entire documentary series. Now, if I scroll down this page right here, you see on the right-hand side how it says to see the film, click here. I want to show you how clever Eric Worre is and how he's caught on to this. So if I click this, look what happens. It brings up a little page that requests your first name, your last name, and your email address. Now, it's pretty clever how he's done that, right? And it's pretty clever that the fact that you're on this page and you're going to enter in your name and your email address below and click watch the video, this is the exact same model that top leaders in the industry like Eric Worre is using. So I just want to give you another example. If I go to rayhigdon.com, right on the front of his page, he has a little intro video telling you why you're on his page, right? And what you're going to learn when you enter in your information, your first name and your email address right here. Okay, now another example. If I go to toddfalcone.com, right on his front page, you have a spot where you can put in your name, you can put in your email address. Okay, and it's not just network marketers that are doing this, you guys. If I go to amazon.com, on the front page, if I hover over your account and I click new customer, start here, look what happens. It brings you to a page that requests your name, your email, and maybe a little bit more information. Now on this page right here, the only thing that you see is the option to put in, your name, your email. It might have your phone number, and then it has a button beneath that, beneath those two options right there. Now before you do that, I want to explain why this is so powerful, you guys, because a lot of leaders out there, they're going out there and they're chasing people down, they're hunting people down, they're wandering around, handing out business cards, trying to find more leads for their business, trying to find targeted traffic, trying to get people to show up to events, and they struggle to build their business online. And this happened to me for a long period of time. So I don't want you guys to have to go through the same mistakes that I went through. I don't want you to have to go through the trial and error. I want to give you the shortcut, the learning curve to where you can skip over that and get right to success. You guys get right to the meat and potatoes. So what I want you to do is enter in your name, enter in your email address, and click the link beneath this video. And on the next 2 videos, I'm going to walk you through exactly how you can apply this model into your business to master the art of attraction marketing, to master online marketing. So with that being said, you guys, fill out the information below, click the button, and I will see you on the next video.